In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use browser on Android TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up and use a web browser on your Android TV. You will be able to browse through any website. You can use the Google search function to browse through the internet, ask questions, and so on. So all that you have to do is open the Google Play Store. This will be primarily done by going over to the Apps tab at the top. When you go over to the Google Play Store or the apps, use the search function to look for a specific one. The app that we're looking for is Giosphere. So sadly, as of today, Chrome and more standard browsers like Firefox don't seem to be available for the Android TV. So the one that we have to use is Giosphere. As you can see, this is essentially a web browser. So you can get it for free on your Android TV, and when you open it up, you will be guided through the features of this application. You will have standard mode, which is what most people will use, and then you have study mode and incognito mode if you prefer. When you go into any of these modes, you will be presented with all of the options, and now you can use the internet as you wish. You will see the Google icon here for the search function, and you can browse through videos, news, study, quick links, and you can visit any website. Most websites are going to be compatible, so all that you have to do is use the function at the top to go to a particular website or just use Google. It is simple to set up, and overall the experience is very similar to Google Chrome. So even though this isn't Chrome, you will still be able to use it to navigate the web. Because Chrome and Firefox aren't available, we have to use workarounds, and this seems to be the best one. So look for Giosphere on your Android TV Google Play Store. I hope I was able to help you on how to use browser on Android TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.